I'm Todd Newton, the tattooed traveler. Welcome to Uranus. It's kind of cold here in Uranus, much colder in Uranus than I thought it would be in Uranus. Don't get the wrong idea, friend. It's Uranus, Missouri. Yeah, there's a town called Uranus, and I'm taking you there right now. All right, so here's the thing about Uranus. Maybe it's not technically a town. It's more of a pit stop located in the Ozarks, right off historic Route 66, in between St. Louis and Springfield, Missouri. It's really just a fun place to pull off the freeway for a little sightseeing, if you will, Missouri style. This is the show me state after all, and there's plenty to show you here in Uranus. Road trippers have been pulling off of Highway 44 to take part in the sophomoric humor and jokes for decades now, but the locals do take great pride in, yes, an actual Guinness World Record. It's the world's largest belt buckle, and I'll show it to you after we get a look at the Uranus pickers. Of all the days not to have any cash in my wallet. Ugh! I scrounged through each pocket in my jacket and jeans for a dollar bill, and I didn't have one, so no good time for us, but there the pickers are in all their glory. As you can see, as far as world records go, this is as legit as it gets. And if you'll join me just around this corner, you'll see it. There it is, friend, the world's largest belt buckle. 10 feet tall, give or take, 13 feet wide. And you know, this is what's great about this YouTube channel, and I hope you subscribe right now. Never in your wildest dreams when you woke up this morning did you think that you would bear witness to the world's largest belt buckle. But surprise, this thing is big. I'd hate to see the britches this belt holds up. Woo! Now, obviously, this pit stop is built on tongue-in-cheek jokes, right? Like this police car to protect and serve Uranus. And if ever there was a place deserving of protection and service, it would be. All right. And I just love that Route 66 logo. I've got it tattooed on my right arm. So iconic. Speaking of tattoos. And right next door is the Uranus City Jail. Again, not a functional jail, but great if you want to beef up your social media and grab a few likes. There aren't going to be too many people that can match this photo opportunity. What's in here? Nothing. All right, let's go inside here. First time I visited Uranus, I was 13 years old, so a lot of this is a revisit, rekindling of childhood memories for me. I'm a hog. Sharon Buns. These are great. Seth Poole. Oh yeah, I want to see that. There's a cell right behind us. Phil McCracken. Classic. And yeah, you can go in here. Oh, look what's written right up there in the corner. Let me take you a little bit closer. These are interesting. Some actual shackles. Oof. I've got a thing about snakes, man. I just don't like them. And look at this. Caution, baby rattlers in here. You got to look, right? I'm going to peek from a distance. Oh, God. Actual toy rattlers. That's good. That one got me. Well done, Uranus. Well done. You definitely got me on that one. All right, as we head out of the Uranus City Jail, home of the pirates. There's a hoodie I definitely want to purchase before I leave town. One of the things that Uranus is really known for is the general store and the Uranus Fudge Factory. You will hear it said time and time again that the best fudge comes from Uranus. That's their line, not mine. So join me as we venture inside to take a look at souvenirs that will definitely disappoint your grandmother. First, I guess we should start with what has made Uranus famous, and that is the Uranus Fudge Factory. Just look at some of these flavors, and keep in mind that all of this delectable goodness is made fresh daily right here.
Ooh, this looks good.
The employees here at the Fudge Factory are known affectionately as the Fudge Packers. And if you're looking for something a little less caloric, shall we say, this is a t-shirt collector's paradise. Of course, you could shop online, have it shipped anywhere in the United States, but what fun is that when you can come here and get your official Cavity Search t-shirt. And the selection goes on and on and on. And finally, what kind of award-winning television host and devoted YouTuber would I be if I didn't give you a private tour of the restroom? But you know what the best part about Uranus is? It's open to the public. Anyone can visit Uranus from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. 7 days a week. You gotta love a good Uranus joke. That's it for today. I'm Todd Newton, the Tattooed Traveler. Thank you for spending time with me in Uranus. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the link in the description so you can order your Tattooed Traveler hoodie. We've got t-shirts, caps, coffee mugs, water bottles, clothes for your dog. It's all in the description. Love hanging out with you. We'll see you next time a little further down the road. Travel safely, my friend.